We're really excited to launch truCOVER whole genome sequencing PCR-free library prep kit. We're seeing more customers gravitating to get more information from whole genome sequencing, and this kit will allow those customers to do it.
Shearing is the gold standard choice for DNA fragmentation because of the unbiased nature of the fragmentation. Some of the challenges that we have discovered is the workflows that are non-standardized, and we address that by developing truCOVER to simplify and streamline the workflow.
Covaris truCOVER library prep workflow is a single vessel workflow. DNA fragmentation, end repair, A-tailing, and also the ligation and first bead cleanup can be carried out in a single vessel.
Adaptive focus acoustics deploys a burst of sonic energy in a non-contact way on a sample.
This energy is optimized to extract the biomolecule without damaging either DNA or RNA. truCOVER can accommodate as minimum as 50 nanogram sample concentration.
It works with saliva, blood, cell line, and more difficult samples like FAP. You get better performance with sequencing because there are less touch points and because it can be automated. So all these benefits ultimately translate into cost savings.
One of the things we're most proud of is we really help our customers achieve their goals. We've talked to a lot of early access customers, and some of the things they like about our kit is the low bias results. The turnaround time for the kit, we're seeing anywhere between 10 to 30% reduction in turnaround time for our workflow.
Sample prep is a very critical step because it's where everything starts. The yield and the quality of biomolecules, ultimately, they lead to better results.